Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to build a fireworks like in the mount on top of the mountain. So just choose a mountain like or a hill like very tall, and just build up 10 blocks like this. 1, 2, 3. I will see you in my 10 blocks. At the 10th block, just came to like this. Number 10, just do a 5 by 5 area. Like this. I will show you how did I build it. Just a little bit, and I'm gonna skip. I cut out off the part. So just build like this. Just build like this. And then an example like this. Like this. So just build a 5 by 5 by 5 TNT thing. We'll see you there. So guys, I made it. It's gonna be like this. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the platform is 25 here. So just in the middle, you see that's the middle block. Just build up 3. 1, 2, and 3. Just come down. Oh my god, it's raining. So it's not raining right now. Just build 3 blocks up and break the bottom 2 blocks. And you're done. Just like this TNT at the top ones, the top TNT, and it will just be a fireworks. You see it later. Boom! You just saw it. It's so amazing. So just like my videos, comment down below, and I'll see you next time.